Hey guys, welcome to see my another video, and I'm Coco. Yeah, long time no see. These days I was a little bit sick and I don't want to put any makeup on, and I have gained a few pounds, so I'm sorry if I look horrible in this video. I want to make this video a little bit different. As you can see the difference. I want to have more engagement with the viewer, with the people who are watching. Now, before in my video, I just hold my camera and film everywhere, and I barely talk to the camera, and I barely have communication with the viewer. I just type the caption when editing the videos. The reason I don't talk to the camera are, even though I'm relatively outgoing, relatively not shy, but I still find it a little bit awkward to hold the camera and talking to the camera when walking in the street. Into the YouTube to just be bold. So yeah, I'm trying to be bold. And the reason I talk little in front of the camera whenever I film it is that every time I hold on the camera and my mind went blank. I think maybe probably because my first language is not English, and I don't know how to translate what's on my mind directly into English, so it takes some time. So sometimes it's very awkward. I hold my camera, I want to say something, but I failed to speak out that word. Just forgive me, after all, English is not my first language. In case that will happen again, I have written what I need to say in this video. As you can see here, handwriting is very ugly. Yeah, and in this video you will see that firstly I do a band rehearsal, and then you'll see me having Chaoshan cuisine with my friends on Friday night or Thursday night. I didn't remember it. I can hardly explain what is Chaozhou Cai in this video, so I'm Wikipedia it. And according to Wikipedia, Chaozhou cuisine is influenced by Cantonese cuisine. And this is very interesting that I have seen the dishes we ordered that night in here. It's called oyster omelette. It's very funny because in that video, in this video, you will find that I describe it as oyster fried with eggs. I just don't know its English name. No more talking. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, it's Wednesday night, and currently I'm going to instrument our band rehearsal, and we're gonna give a performance on our graduating event. How can I put it? Yeah, so I'll take you guys with me.懂了吗，周哥？
看早说，每次去地铁站都是。
啊，谢谢你。
看一下吧。
Currently, I'll have a dinner with Michael and what? Carter. Hey, currently I'm in a cantonese restaurant. It's kind of like Chaozhou Cai in Chinese. There's
Part of Cantonese cuisine.
yeah, that's a very perfect explanation. It's part of Cantonese cuisine. Yeah, so keep tuned. This is the menu. I'm so excited. Look at this.
一个立牌的猪耳吧。对。
哎，你三个的。
成品对，就是很多功能，它的功能都是来自于营养，断了它的那个养料以后，它就是说自然死亡。
Taste. Is it a pork or beef?
Goose. Very good.
Very good. I'll try the pig ear.
有人喜欢蘸一点点，有人喜欢就是喜欢不要醋的，描述。
蚝仔烙 How can I put it?
Oyster fried with egg.
Oyster fried with eggs. So fresh. Peter, do you like the juice?
So tasty, and you can see it's protein, and you
Protein? Isn't that
eat it with some kind of source of
can balance the grease?
yeah, it's a kind of sour but a little bit sweet kind of source. And you eat.
So you like it?
Fatty but not oil. Yeah, it's not oil.
Ah, so happy.
啊，忘了，等会再给你
果冻，果肉里面是这个。
你试一下。我们那边蘸手。
What's this sauce?
I think some kind of honey.
Fish oil?
No, this is fish oil. That is some kind of sweet honey. I think.
Honey.
Honey.
Is it?
Yeah, it's sweet. Give a look at it.
哇，这好整哦。
And in Canton cuisine,
秘诀就是手法。
meatball plays an important
没有
part.
棍子就洗个肯定。所以说我在家里。
This is the place we have our dinner. It's called 金华安大酒店。
来的。接近后的广州火车站。
Now we are here. Now we are going to this way. Once.
反正以前都有证书，就说有证书不可靠的说法。又分辨出各种各样的小东西就没得算了，太多。但是有的时候我们就会说它是金钱，就是自杀是达到。
So we now in the downtown of Guangzhou.
就走这儿进去了。对呀。
哦，还记得刚刚后背。
Hello.
Hey, tell them that go to a bar. They're gonna grab something to drink.
Yeah.
And pour, and they serve very good tequila and beef.
I love that. It's so terrific.
Yay! And I remember we ordered 2 plates of that. So I'll see you there. We have an order. This is Long Island SP.
From Long Island.
I have tried yours. It's pretty good. I like the mint flavor.
Yeah. Lime, sugar, soda.
I like this. Yeah. Cool. Remember last time we went to the Rebel, that English bar, and we have tasted the best crab in Guangzhou, and this is actually the best tortilla chips in Guangzhou. It's very crisp.